Hi, I'm John. I'm your healthcare hacker. In this episode of Healthcare Hacks, we're going to talk about preventative care and why you may get a bill when you don't expect to get one. And is that right? So let's first describe what preventative care is and what preventative care is not. It started back in 2011 with the passage of the ACA, or some people call it Obamacare. In that, they want to make sure, the federal government wanted to make sure everyone had access to preventative care, to make sure diseases and issues could be caught early by your healthcare professional, which is great. And in that, you didn't have to pay anything out of your pocket. It's fully covered by insurance. The whole idea of preventative care was to catch things early. So you go to the doctor, got a clean bill of health, you're not going to pay anything. However, here's where it gets tricky. A lot of people come to me and say, John, I went to the doctor, I told the doctor when I was talking to him, man, my knee hurts. And the next thing I know, I got charged $20 for an office visit. How's that happen? That's not preventative care anymore. As soon as you tell your doctor, I've got something wrong with me, they're now trying to diagnose you and figure out what's wrong and how they can help manage your condition. So just remember, when you go to your doctor for that annual physical, if you're healthy, you're not gonna pay anything. If you have an issue, you're probably gonna have to pay something else, just like an office visit. One other important thing to remember about preventative care is make sure that your doctor and the lab that's doing the testing is in network. If it's not in network, it's not gonna be preventative care. You're gonna have to pay out of your pocket because insurance companies will not cover it. If you wanna understand what's covered in preventative care, there's a great site which should be down below. If you wanna really understand what you're eligible for, check out down below for more information. If you have questions about how to save money or problems you're facing with healthcare dollars, email us on the address on the screen.